Good morning, dear students. Today we are going to learn active passive voice, which is one of the important grammatical items and also has importance in our daily life. So we are going to learn active passive voice in continuous tense. So I am going to have an example here. Active. He is reading a book. So this is the present continuous tense. So it shows it is in present, and here is verb in ing form, which shows that it is continuous tense. Okay. So now how to recognize the active form? So here in active voice, subject comes first, and he is the subject here. Okay, so he is subject. So instead of he, I am going to take here Rohan. So Rohan is a subject here. Then here is and reading. So I am completely taking it as a verb. So it is verb plus a book is here, which is an object. So Rohan is the doer here, he is doing the action, and a book is the object here, on what or whom the action is done upon. And here reading shows what activity is going on, that is reading, dancing, writing, etc. Okay, so now the construction of active voice is subject plus verb plus object. So now we have to convert that sentence into passive construction. So in passive construction, first comes an object. So here in active sentence, subject is active than the object. But here in passive construction, object has more importance. So it comes first. So here a book is the object. So object plus we have to take auxiliary, which is helping verb, auxiliary. So I am going to write complete construction here, then we will go to the sentence. So object plus auxiliary plus we have to add pp, that is past participle, that is the third form of the verb, and then we have to use preposition by, because we have to add subject further, and plus subject. So in passive construction, object come first, and in active construction, subject come first, because here subject has more importance, and here, that is in passive construction, object has more importance. For example, elections are declared. So here what is declared, it is important. Who is declaring it? Rather it is election committee or government, it is not important. But what is declared, it is important, and it is object. So here object is a book. Next to it we have to add auxiliary. So we have to go here, is reading. So we have to, we should not change the tense here. So same tense should be here in active voice and passive voice. So here is present continuous tense, and same tense we have to use here, present continuous tense. So we have to write here now auxiliary, and we have to write here a book is. It shows it is present, and here reading shows that it is continuous in progressive form. In the same way, we have to show it is continuous tense. So we have to add being here, that is bing. So is being shows that it is continuous one, that is present continuous one. So here is auxiliary is being. Then we have to add pp, that is the third form of the verb. So then we have to go again to the verb here, which is reading. So the three forms of the verbs are read, read, read. So should be read. So it's spells in same way but pronounced in a different way. Read, read, read. Same here in a same way. So it is read. Okay. A book is being read. So read is PP. Then we have to add by here. And now we have to add the subject in this sentence, and here is subject Rohan. So we have to add Rohan here. So the complete construction is like this. A book is being read by Rohan. A book is being read by Rohan. Okay, so it is the passive construction. Thank you. Okay, now what we have to do next here, so it is the present continuous tense. If you have to show about, you have to explain about that is past continuous tense and future continuous tense. What you have to do here, only one thing you have to do, that is verb shows here that it is in present. So you have to change it and you have to write was here. Then it will be Rohan was reading the book and it is past continuous tense. So what change should be taken here? That is, instead of is we have to use was, and a book was being read by Rohan. Okay, so it is past continuous tense. Okay, so in the same way we have to do in a future continuous tense. So we will explain it in next video. Okay, so this is the active and passive voice. So unless and until you understand it, you watch this video repeatedly.